Kids Guess the Mystery Items Challenge. Can you solve it? Can you guess what is this? Escalator. An escalator is a moving staircase consisting of a series of steps that continuously move in an upward or downward direction. Can you guess what is this? Caution tape. Caution tape, also known as warning tape, that is often yellow or red with bold black stripes or text. It is used to alert and warn people about restricted areas. Good job! Can you guess what is this? Handrail. A handrail is a rail that is designed to be grasped by the hand to provide support and stability, especially on stairs. Can you guess what is this? Directional arrows. Directional arrows are symbols that indicate the intended direction of movement or flow. Can you guess what is this? Headphones. Headphones are audio devices worn over the ears to listen to audio content such as music, podcasts, or spoken words. Can you guess what is this? Coffee mug. A coffee mug is a cup-shaped container typically made of ceramic, glass, or metal. It is designed for holding and serving hot beverages, particularly coffee. Good job!